damage this bit. It will just make a scar in it. And it will also just flop out. So don't do that. Don't be like me. I would probably do that. These things here, let me see. Whoa, don't damage the motor on the way down. These things here, I'm just taking a look at them. They do seem to be exactly the same on both sides, so I don't think there is a specific way they want you to do it. I think they kind of mirror themselves. So as far as I can see, I don't see there is a front and a back. So even if you were to do that, I don't think it would make a difference at all. So I could be wrong, but as far as what it says on the instruction manual, it just says plop them in. So we'll plop them in. And yeah, there we go.
Likey